Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea with an electric kettle. Start by filling your electric kettle with fresh, cold water. It's important not to overfill, so always check the maximum fill line inside the kettle. Once filled, place the kettle securely back on its power base. This ensures safe and efficient heating for your perfect cup of tea. Now, press the power button to start heating the water. Many modern electric kettles offer temperature presets, which are great for different types of tea. For example, green tea needs cooler water than black tea. If your kettle doesn't have presets, just let it come to a full, rolling boil. Once the water is hot, carefully pour it over your tea bag or loose leaf tea in your mug. The steeping time is crucial for flavor. Generally, black teas steep for 3 to 5 minutes, while green teas might need less. Always check the tea packaging for specific instructions to get the best taste. After steeping, remove the tea bag or strain your loose leaf tea. Now it's time to customize. Add milk, sugar, honey, or a slice of lemon if you like. Take a moment to savor the aroma and warmth. You've just made a delicious cup of tea with such ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.